right? So I'm here, like Dan was a kid, towards lava. Okay, you don't want to be here. All right, I'm taking weight off him. I'm giving him arms to isolate. So just, find a way to put your hands that they're not endangered. Okay, that are going to be comfortable for you. So there's no hard and fast rule. Some guys like this, some guys like this, some guys like this, whatever you guys want. Okay, so I usually like to control the shoulder to control an offspring up. All right. So I'm here. I got them under control. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my forearm across this midsection. Okay. And I'm going to pick my knee right in this hip socket. Okay. I'm not going to go tail home here because that's my balancing point. All right. So I'm going to go here. Here. Now, I'm going to raise my right leg, kind of like young stomach, this here, and just sink my hips back. Okay? So, it was my hips that open this guard. Alright? What I'm not going to do, let's say here, is do this, or I'm not going to be rude to my training partner and do this. Okay? So, here, sink. That's all it takes. Okay, that's the ground packs. And, I got to be mindful of this arm, elbows inside, and I start putting it into my bull pass situation. Okay? So just worry about this. Don't worry about the pass, just worry about the break. Okay? So, here. Step up. Not doing this or this. Here. It's already daylight. Sink my hips back. Okay? Now, since I'm gripped here, I'm going to grip here in the bull pass situation. Okay? Good? Okay. Carol, I'm going to give you a shot.
Is that called first?
Yeah, why don't you
Yeah, and then go ahead and stay there.
There you go. Okay? That's your guard. Remember, floor's lava, on your shoulders. Okay. Yeah, I know there's like 3 of them. On your shoulders, on your shoulders. Stand on your shoulders. No. Come there and then. Right here. Step off with your right leg over here. And you push your knee under. Wow, why is that? This is nice. I'm going to take the first day running on the side. I ran from the Ellisville here to right from there down to the county city on the side. Yeah. Oh man. Why? I was like, I was just thinking about not being showing up tonight. Yes, to be up there.
Yeah, you don't want to sit down around this much.
Not I can't break it. Touch your knee to your wrist. Just a little sit back. Okay, that's the bull pass. Remember when we went one side and the other side? Bull pass. Have a seat. Yeah. Okay, try it again. Our floor is lava. All right. Renders my legs.
Nice poster out there, Ben.
Here. What's that?
Nice.
Yeah, you like that? Yeah, that's enough money. Yeah, I think so.
I was right on skills, and I'm like, I thought I nailed that one.
Yeah, buddy, my old jiu-jitsu instructor, Rainier Bill, owns an awning company, so he makes all that stuff for me. Like cost.
So that was the thing when I heard about it. Came over and it's like,
want you to.
There's no number anywhere. I was looking at it, I was trying to look at a piece of paper.
Finally.
Yeah.
Okay, now, this one always be connected like that, okay? Because if you're not, you start actually in the arm, working on like